And then she almost took my arm off. She used my truck as a weapon to try to hurt me with my truck. I did still on my truck yet.
Good morning, Mr. Kelly. Sir, you were charged with assault and bodily injury. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present and questions and interviews in the state of Texas. If you cannot afford a lawyer will be appointed to represent you, sir. Please don't say anything.
Yes, Your Honor, on May 8, 2024, officers were dispatched to 5728 Tidwell Road, Tidwell Supermarket, Houston, Harris County, Texas, regarding a citizen holding a suspect. Officers spoke with the defendant, Tony Kelly, who called 911. Defendant informed officer that he was keeping the complainant, Crystalline O'Neill, inside the store and informing because she was the suspect in an auto theft that he filed the previous night. The defendant stated that he has known the complainant since December, but she is not a friend or acquaintance. Defendant stated that the complainant was inside of his residence and that he went to use the restroom when she stole his vehicle. Defendant and a friend were out searching for his vehicle when they observed the complainant witness, and when they approached her, she ran inside the Tidwell supermarket. Defendant stated he kept the complainant inside until police arrived. Complainant stated she'd known the defendant approximately 4 years and that he occasionally pays her for sex. Complainant stated the defendant started yelling at her about his vehicle. The complainant went inside the store and the defendant followed her to the store and chased her around. Complainant further states that the defendant stood at the door with a small knife, preventing her from leaving. The defendant then punched her on the forehead, causing her pain and to fall to the ground. Complainant is in fear of her life and wants to press charges. Officers observed video of the attack.
Wow. Mr. Kelly, let me tell you, you're lucky you're not charged with aggravated kidnapping. You know, don't say anything, but it's very possible that they upgrade this to an aggravated kidnapping with the knife. Sir, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with this person whatsoever. Okay, then it shouldn't be a problem then, right? Stop. I'm not asking you about the case. The only thing I'm telling you now is not to have contact with the complaining witness in this case.
My mama passed away, and I can't only stay the house. I'm just angry, but she took out my children.
Okay, Mr. Kelly, I will have you speak to someone today, but I'm telling you now, I don't want any more issues.
They still don't find my truck yet. And she had a mace. She tried to use that mace on me, and I took it from and I threw it out the door. It took them 2 hours to come.
Mr. Kelly, if this is in fact the case, then the way you do about this is you go to the police and you file a report with the police. That may not be enough.
And then she almost took my arm off. She used my truck as a weapon to try to hurt me with my truck. I did still on my truck yet.
Okay.
And they get the people across the street had videos and stuff showing us what had happened. I got it in my phone.
Okay. Listen, no contact with this person.
I don't know them people.
Do you understand?
I don't know them.
Obviously you do, because you're telling me about the truck, you've got video, so obviously you do.
Hit that stove, and I was just trying to find out what was going on at the stove, but my brother tell.
I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to be in possession of weapons. Do you understand? The two conditions that you have are no, you're not listening. I want you to listen. The mice are running and you're thinking about what else you can say, what else. Listen, no contact and no weapons.
When I was in jail, they broke in my house.
You're not listening, Mr. Kelly. Tell me when you're ready to listen. Are you ready? I don't want you to have contact. What's the name? Kevin, please.
Crystal O'Neill. Crystalline O'Neill.
I don't know nothing about them people. They came to my house.
Mr. Kelly.
You're not listening.
Okay.
I want you to listen. You will speak to a lawyer today. You can tell your part to the lawyer. They will listen to you. They will look at whatever you have. They can help you remedy any situation. The only thing I'm telling you to do now is I don't want you to have any contact with these people and no weapons, and don't pick up any new cases. That's all I'm asking you to do. Do you understand? Okay, so I will have you go to Victoria. I'm going to have you sign a reset. After that, I'll have you take a seat in the jury box. I will give you an application for an appointed lawyer, and then I'm going to get the bond conditions ready for you to sign. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions. Do you understand? Okay, please. Well, I don't know about that. You have a prior robbery as well, Mr. Kelly. That's not a clean record. It was not dismissed. No. No. 3 times we've given you the opportunity to show up and you failed to show up. And now you get a PR bond for a 3rd time? I don't think so. Ma'am, you were charged with criminal mischief. Your case is 300 days old. We gave you a PR bond on 7/26/21. We gave you another one on 8/1/23. Then now we've given you another one on 5/7/24. Doesn't work like that. She goes with you. Don't send her down, please. Who's next?